Good day, everyone. Welcome to this video about the ProDentim. When we talk about oral hygiene, unfortunately today there are some people who don't have oral hygiene because they can't afford it or because they just live far away from dentists. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's just so many tiny cities out there that people need to travel really far to go to a dentist appointment, right? But let's make one thing really serious here. Taking great care of your oral hygiene is important, right? I mean, having healthy teeth, having a healthy breath, maintaining that and doing all of that with something that is natural is really cool. And that's where ProDentim comes in. So ProDentim are actually like tablets. They are chewable, so you can chew on them, you can swallow them, either way. They contain 3.5 billion probiotic strains, and they help you target lots and lots of bacteria and germs that thrive in your mouths. So, that's a bike. So I left ProDentim's official webpage link in the description box of this video for those of you who want to purchase it. For those of you who want to know more about its story, it's all there, okay? 1 second, guys. Yes, my dogs were having a fight. But anywho, ProDentim is here, all right? So the link to their official webpage is right here. But let me tell you this, ProDentim, it contains 3.5 billion probiotic strains. These are probiotic strains that basically go into your mouths. They're like a tiny SWAT team, and they eliminate the germs, the bacteria, and they help you to like do a full cleanse of your mouths, guys. What's even more interesting is that it also contains peppermint. It also contains vitamins. So the picture I'm trying to paint here is to show you that ProDentim is a supplement that is 100% natural. There is no synthetic additives to it. There is no GMOs or even gluten. With ProDentim, you're going to be bringing back your teeth's whiteness, making sure it's removing that yellowish color. It's going to be also helping you to remove that yellowish crust that grows way up close to your gums. I'm not sure if they're called plaques or tarts or tartars or something like that, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Also, guys, ProDentim will help you to deal with swollen gums as well as bleeding gums. So if you're a person who you cannot enjoy things that are too cold or too hot because it stings, it's going to actually heal that problem, you know, going to the root cause of it and healing it. And it's going to create like this protective shield in your mouth. So it brings a lot to the table, you know, and you just got to take your treatment seriously. You can do a 3 months treatment or a 6 months treatment, but every day you're going to be taking a ProDentim tablet. Also, there is a money back guarantee. You know, you don't have to worry about losing your money in case ProDentim does not work out for you. Talk to customer service on the official webpage. They help you to get a refund in case you need it. But you have to remember, this is a treatment. Every day you have to chew on 1 tablet and you have to be patient with your results. Good things take time, and I can guarantee you that within like 2 or 3 weeks, you're going to have beautiful, beautiful, healthy teeth already. All right? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all next time. Bye.